Yes, good evening, students. Might be on one more week I couldn't make it up. So I thought I can begin with the worksheet 3.2 where I stopped. I told you all I'll be giving it in the next video. So this is 3.2 worksheet which is talking about the country of the blind, and you have the exercise A. So here it is said that use the word cloud below and fill in the following table with descriptive words that can substitute the word. So in the last exercise and all, I was telling you like how a descriptive passage must be written. So here also they have given you lot of words. You can see a group of words, cloud of words. They say superb, strolled, noticed, wonderful, admire, adore, stored, spied, fancy. So please try to read all these words. All are useful for you. That will be useful for your vocabulary. So please learn lot of words. That much of English you will be capable of knowing, and that will be useful for you when you write your essays and all, or when you talk. You get a lot of words in your mind. Okay, now see, when we talk about said, okay, other words which he has asked you all to fill from the descriptive word, you can use the word shouted, okay, and you can use the word whispered, questioned, called, and it is provoked. So these are all the words which you can use from this particular cloud of words which you can substitute for the description of the said. Okay, shouted, whispered, questioned, called, and provoked. When I go with the word good I can write pleasant, wonderful, marvelous, superb, splendid, and amazing. See these many words. Even great I can fill in over there. Then ran, if I use the word ran, I can describe it with hurried, rushed, jogged, sped, sprinted, and raced. So see how beautifully the words are written. So please, you can even utilize them in your exams. You can use them for your descriptive passage. Then you can see walked. For walked it is marched, liked, traveled, strolled, noticed, and hiked. Okay, so these are the words which you can fill. And the next one you can see saw you can fill with watched, noticed, stared, glimpsed, observed, and sighted. And the last one is like liked. So like, see the words you have filled: love, prefer, cherish, enjoy, care, fancy, treasure. So make a note of all these answers and keep this worksheet. Submission is there always for you. So while submitting you can use them correctly. You can write and submit so that you get your internals fully, students. So just watch it out with this video and you can fill those words. Next, if we see the next exercise B, you could see in the following paragraph Kavita describes her favorite gadget. Pick suitable transition words from the box below and complete the blanks. So they have given you some description over here about a favorite gadget she's talking, and you can see that it's been filled in correctly. So when you see this first word, you can see though. Okay, though I have possessed many gadgets, my present favorite is my brand new smartphone. So it's the word from the box. You can fill the word. Actually it is there, but you can underline the word though over there. And the next one, with the dash number 1, you can use the word moreover it can be nearly everything I needed to do. And the second one is for example. So you can take the word for example from the box and fill. And the third dash is you can use the word addition. So see, I have written the word addition to many files I have saved for my work. It contains space to hold a lot of photos and music. So that's the right answer. And the fourth one is however. Fifth one is furthermore. And the sixth one is overall. So I'm just giving you the answers alone. Plus you see to that you are reading it once again and again loudly, and then trying to fill it on your own. If you can't make it, check it with this answer which I have given. So it's very simple and easy task only which you have for this worksheet. You will get for your exams also. Train yourself in all these areas. You have planned to write an essay about your favorite place. Use the following graphic organizer to brainstorm and collect 8 key ideas. So they have given you like they have planned to write an essay to go to a favorite place. So just take points and keep ready. They are saying they've just asked you to write 8 points. So you can see why is this place significant to you. So awesome weather and endless extreme beauty, all this you can say. And the next one is you can say how does this place look different, so during different parts of the day. So I can say it is beautiful, and you can say like a good station, beautiful hill station it is, you can say. And my favorite place is Ooty. And the next thing you can talk, what happens in this place usually? Boat riding and sightseeing. Many tourists visit there just to enjoy the pleasant weather. So at this point you can add. And the next thing you can add is describe all sensory details. So you can see tea estate, flower garden, sound of birds and water. So these are all the key words you should be preparing yourself before you write an essay. So here you could see first you have to select on your favorite place. Then you can talk about the significance of the place. Then you can talk about the how this place is different from the other place. This is the main, like the points which you could, from this basic ideas you should develop your essay. That is why he has given you this kind of a superb idea where you can use the keywords, and then accordingly you can draw up your essay nicely. Now you can see the D section, superb essay. They have asked you write an essay that you planned in about 500 words. Actually I have made a small paragraph for you. You can see to that you are adding some more points so that you can use it for your exams. Now see, Ooty is one of the best tourist places in India. It is considered the queen of hill station. The best season to visit Ooty is during April to June and September to November. Then you see during during this time, like it goes like during this time the climate would be very nice and chill. So you can use the word during this time. Actually it is written some other word. So during this time the climate would be very nice and chill. Wonderful sightseeing places are there in Ooty. Some of them are only Lake Botanical. Some of them are Ooty Lake Botanical Garden, Ooty Rose Garden, then Thread Garden, Dolphins Nose, and then you have Paikra Lake, Tea Estate, Fern Hills, then Dotabetta, Ooty Lake, and Boat House, etc. So you are telling more about other important and beautiful places in that area. Then you can go to boating will give you an unforgettable experience. You will see many varieties of roses at Rose Garden. On the whole, it is a pleasant area to stay and to bring lots of sweetest memories back. So I just made a small gist for you. This is actually a paragraph only, but they have asked you essay. Most probably for the 10 marks, when they ask the part 6 question, you will have an essay to write. So that time this will not help you. Okay, actually this is only a paragraph format. So when they ask you to describe, you can use this in question number 1 to 5. Any B part question will be based on this kind of a paragraph format. But if you're going to try to write the 6th question that carries 10 marks, essay means this is not enough, but it gives you a hint of how to make your answers right. Okay, so once again I will repeat. You can pause the audio and you can fill your pages and keep it submitted to your teacher, and you can add some more, and because we have some more empty lines also I didn't fill fully. So you can add up some more places and some more ideas which I've already pointed out here. Some 8 points we have already noted in the key points, right? So elaborate on these points and try to finish your essay. See, Ooty is one of the best tourist place in India. It is considered the queen of hill station. The best season to visit Ooty is during April to June and September to November. During this time, the climate would be very nice and chill. Wonderful sightseeing places are there in Ooty. Some of them are Ooty Lake Botanical Garden, Ooty Rose Garden, then Thread Garden, then Dolphin's Nose, Paikara Lake, Tea Estate, Fern Hills, Tutabetta, Ooty Lake, and Boat House, etc. Boating will give you an unforgettable experience. You will see many varieties of roses at Rose Garden. On the whole, it is a pleasant area to stay and to bring lots of sweetest memories back home. So, very beautifully written answer. You can add up some more. So, this is what is in your, I think so, worksheet 3.2. We are ending up with 3.2. And next we have the lesson The Boy Who Broke the Bank as third lesson in your unit 3. I'll be making it up in the next video. Thank you students for all the support shown. Please do see, I'm not giving anything in Tamil. I don't want to use Tamil because this is purely the English based subject which the university has introduced for you. So I don't want to use any Tamil language and make you little more timid of learning things. I want you to learn it through English. It can happen and it will happen. Only thing is you need to have your interest. Just follow my channel. You can easily clear your confluence paper. Okay. Thank you students.